Section 2.3, Example 9. Tiana needs to create a password for a social networking website she registered with. Password can use any digits from 0 to 9 and or any letters of the alphabet. The password is case sensitive, so she can use both lower and uppercase letters. Password must be at least 5 characters to a maximum of 7 characters, and each character can be used only once in the password. How many different passwords are possible? Okay, so first of all, we have digits 0 to 9. So there are 10 digits. Okay, plus we can use the letters of the alphabet. So there are 26 letters of the alphabet. But we are told the password is case sensitive. So that means there is a difference if it's an uppercase letter or a lowercase letter. So there are 26 uppercase letters and there are 26 lowercase letters. So in total, there are 62 possible choices for the password. We also are told that the password must be at least, so there's that key word, at least 5 to 7 characters. So we have case 1. We can have a 5-character password, or there's a case 2. We can have a 6-character password, or there is a third case. We can have a 7-character password. We are going to find the number of cases in each case, and then we are going to add those cases together. Okay. So first of all, case 1, 5 characters. There are 62 characters to choose from. It is password, so the order in which those characters are written does matter, so it's a permutation. There are 62 characters to choose from, and we want to pick 5 of them. If there are 6 characters, again, order does matter, it's a permutation. So of those 62 possible objects to choose, we want to pick 6 of them. And then finally, if I want a 7-character password of this 62 letters and digits of those characters, we want to choose 7. 62p5 on our calculator gives us 776,520,240. 62p6 is 44, 261, 653, 680. And then 62p7 is a really, really large number. And some of our calculators may not even be able to manage all of those large numbers. The key thing with this is that we are able to indicate that we know there are 3 cases and that these 3 cases are being added together. So our total number is 2523 690 780 000, a very, very large number.